Hey guys, it's Ember Sound. I'm doing something kind of different today. We had a video planned, but it wasn't really turning out the way we wanted to. It's just not ready yet. So instead today I'm going to be picking some of my favorite Broadway songs that I probably wouldn't do an arrangement of. We're going to start out with Somewhere from West Side Story. And this song, I've just grown up hearing it. I love it. It's beautiful. It's melancholy, fits my personality, whatever. So let's get started. Okay, the next song we're going to do is Sunrise Sunset from Fiddler on the Roof. It's probably one of my favorite Broadway musicals, and this piece is just really beautiful, and I love it. Played it for my sister's wedding, so it has sentimental value to me. Lastly, we're going to do Try to Remember from the Fantasticks. This song is just beautiful. I had a music box doll growing up that played this song, and it was from my grandparents. So, again, there's just sentimental reasons there for me playing this. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe.